You know, let me talk a little about women. You know, the major problem where we get with women, and I say women, and I know they understand us. Men are very easy people to deal with, but they don't understand us. You know, women are the strongest people where God creates. It's in the Bible. If you go to the book of Genesis in the beginning, God created man from dust. And from the bone, now we create woman. So women are naturally stronger. Dust and bone. You know, say bone strong past dust. So on a strong past us. That is why it's easy. Around 3 a.m., if you see only girls stand for road, you're not going to fear. On a strong. If man they road 2 a.m. only lights come, if they hide. A man go tell and say kidnappers. But girl alone they road 2 a.m. If you see light, he go come and come catwalk. Una no dey fear. Una no dey fear. Una dey fearless. Una strong pastors. Now, you see, when it comes to intelligence, una they more intelligent than guys. It's also in the Bible, in the book of Genesis. Women were the first people to taste the fruit of knowledge. Now, if you need to understand it, simple logic means that if you chop this apple, your eye go open, you go get knowledge. Eve, na first chop. Now remember, calendar no day, watch no day. So we don't know how long where Eve don't chop. Eye don't clear. If they look at Adam, Adam they fool himself, they pursue lizard, they chase antelope. But Eve don't know. You just look at them. Maybe now 6 years later, they come pity Adam, so yeah, Mumumu go come. Why even tell this to make your eye open? Adam, as mumurish as he is, the bite when he take, make me see say, God no really dey fair with us men. And all this is why they tell you, if you check out for Bible, you see, women, when they pray, God they answer speed. See Elizabeth. Angel come tell and say, Elizabeth, you go born pikin. Elizabeth say, how come? Me we don't old. Angel say, making just the watching go see. When they go tell a husband, say, your wife go born pikin, he say, how can? Angel make her deaf and dumb. Is this unfair? Even Jesus, when in the waka, now woman with the issue of blood touching cloth, he used annoyance cloth, say, who touched me? When they tell her, say, now woman, it's okay. Your faith has it do. If the man touch that cloth, he forget problem. So you see, that's what God be. He like women. That is why, as a man, if you get women where they pray for you, your life go to expand, you go to live long. You don't get problem. So you see, women are now smart, are now wise. Adam never chop your own apple finish. Now God don't show. The only bite he take, he never even swallow. The thing there, that's why men get Adam's apple. Now here is it. My God appear. Say, Adam. You think hook by the man here. Now, if you understand, they say if you eat the fruit of knowledge, you go know. So, for the fact say Adam own never digest, the knowledge never kick in. So he still be mumu at that point when God showed, which was why he became the first man to fail exam. Simple question of location. Adam, where are you? I'm in the bush. You know hard. But because of the state of mumu and the apple will never digest, Adam, where are you? He said, I'm naked. What is the relationship between your location and your state of dressing? God come they look at and they vex. Say, this guy is an idiot. Now, so it's a giving. You guys are stronger, ladies. Ladies are stronger, you're wiser. But the one place that men are better when it comes to kindness, now we hold flag. Oh, some people go on argue. It's also in the Bible. It's also in the Bible. The first act of kindness of any being at all was an act committed by Adam. The act of giving your own rib so that another person will be made. Adam Duan. The next most significant act of kindness was by Jesus Christ giving your life to save other people. Now, man, that is why we give. We give money, we give house, we give belly, we just give. Anything we just come, just, you know, it's in us to give. That That is what we know how to do. You know, they on our body to give. That is why you go see a man go to provide for a woman for 6 years, no complaint. When this thing reverse, the woman provide for 6 months. You know, go get up, go walk. Sit down here, they watch TV, they watch me and the children. Or you're coming now this night, I go see whether you will touch me. We are giving, we are very understanding. You know, and women need to understand us, carry us along. Man, you see, if a woman comes, say, oh, my stomach. The husband go say, what's that, honey? He go say, it's that time of the month again. The husband go run around. Say, okay, let me find some painkiller. Have you taken something for the pain? You go see concern. But if man come back, hold this side, they say, oh, honey, pain. The wife say, waiting. He says, that time of the night again. When, instead of the wife to say, oh, yeah, come lie down, I give you small something, make the pain ease up. He go say, now what for you? You know they rest every night. I don't even consider person. If you see where women they plan vacation, if you see where girls gather, say they won't go, hey, want to go on vacation, me and my friends, they go plan, we'll go to a nice spa, we'll have dinner, we'll go see movies, we'll come back and chill in a bubble bath, they sleep. They know they put man for their plan. But if now guys won't go tour, once we don't enter downtown, now to go drink, from there we enter club, from there we'll see whether we'll carry some chicks. You see, say we don't include on for the plan. But now they include us. After I go say na cheating. We know they cheat. If 50% of the men they cheat, then they cheat with women. That means 50% of women they cheat. Now draw. One another they look us one kind. The only problem where we get is that it hard us because a man has 2 brains. Women only get 1 brain. That's the one with the head. The one when they carry into school. So as you are getting educated, your brain is getting educated. But we get 2 brains. One day here, one day here. This one are the one where they go school. This one where they inside here, not they enter class. Now I need to explain to you so that you understand the problem that we are dealing with. And pity us. You see, these 2 brains, they are designed not to work together. They know they cooperate. Once this one is awake and working, this one is sleep. As soon as this brain wake up, this one is shutting down, whether they're ready or not. That is the way it has been designed. No, you need to understand this thing. You need to understand it. So that you can stop blaming your husband. Say, oh, you people are ready. No. That is why, see, let me tell you, a man will go burial. Responsible man. He knows a person die. He's mourning. He's grieving with the family. Because this brain, when they walk, for now. So as he did the burial, he they look. He they cry with everybody. As the spirit directs you, just be doing it. He they cry with everybody. Because this brain that is educated is working. Then suddenly, one sister when they cry, go leave lap open. Now, you don't understand the power of an open leg of a woman. It can hold any man, plus the one where they mad. If you see madman for market, if they pass, see woman will leave leg open. If they come back, check. Even as a man. Now, that brother will go school where they cry. As he see that leg, this brain don't wake up. As soon as this brain wake up, this one don't sleep. This point now, this brain now they control her. The same gentleman where they behave, this brain go to tell her now, say, look left. Look left. The guy go to say, no, that is temptation. We are here for burial. This brain go say, now you kill the person. What's your business? They say, look small something. They say, we are here for burial.
It's a flavor, yeah.